Axel of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Hey there, and welcome back to Axel of Symmetry, the channel where math finally clicks. I'm Axel, and today we're answering one of the very first questions in all of algebra. What exactly is a variable? Letters like x, y, and n show up all over algebra, and at first they can feel a little mysterious. Don't worry, by the end of this video, they'll feel like old friends. So let's clear it up once and for all. Picture a box with a number hidden inside. We don't know what that number is yet, so for now we'll just label the box with a question mark. That is the whole idea of a variable. It is simply a placeholder, a name that stands in for a number we haven't pinned down yet. Nothing scary about it. Now, instead of drawing a box every single time, mathematicians just use a letter. It's faster to write. Let's call our hidden number x. And here is the key idea, so listen closely. X is not locked to one value. It can change. That is exactly why we call it a variable, because it varies. It could be 1, or 2, or 7, or honestly any number you like. One letter, many possible values. And by the way, there is nothing special about the letter x. We could just as easily call our unknown y, or n, or any letter at all. The letter is only a label we choose. The real power appears when we drop variables into expressions. Take this one, 2x plus 3. Notice that this is a rule, not a single number. It tells us exactly what to do. Take your value of x, double it, and then add 3. Let's test it out. Suppose x equals 5. We replace x with 5 everywhere we see it. So we get 2 times 5 plus 3. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 plus 3 is 13. Change the input, and the output changes with it. If x is 0, 2 times 0 is nothing, so we are left with just 3. Here's a quick one for you, pause if you'd like. If x were 10, what would 2x plus 3 be? 2 times 10 is 20, plus 3, so 23. See how the same rule handles every number. Let's bring it into the real world. Let the letter A stand for your age right now, whatever it happens to be. Then your age 5 years from now is just a plus 5. That tiny expression works for a 5-year-old and for a 50-year-old alike, one rule for everybody. And that is the real magic of variables. They let us write a single, general rule instead of redoing the math for every separate number. Let's recap what we learned. A variable is a placeholder for a number, and it can take many different values. Expressions built from variables are rules. You substitute a value, then simplify to get your answer. And that's variables in a nutshell. In the next episode, we'll use them to solve real equations. If this helped, subscribe to Axel of Symmetry, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.